I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Banner Ranch Falls. This is Ava Thompson. Boo! Stop it! Boo! Nathan Rock. With the morning announcements. Today is Friday, October 27, 2023. Thought of the day. 80% of success is showing up. Woody Allen. It's National Black Cat Day on October 27th. Black cats need a little positive PR as their reputation as an optimum of black bad luck is well known and unearned, frankly, and to the lead up to Halloween, National Black Cat Day provides a chance for feline to fans to show of their love for the malign but always iconic animals. Lunch today is chicken nuggets with barbecue sauce or crustless CPV sandwich with mozzarella cheese sticks, giant goldfish graham cracker, garden bar fruit, milk. Weather today is partly cloudy with a high of 47 degrees. We made it to the end of the week. We are on an afternoon assembly schedule for every explorer today in the Commons with K through 2nd from 2 to 2:15 and 3 to 5 from 3 through 5 from 2:15 to 2:30. Remember the assembly SOPs. Everyone have a great day. And remember,